Hey y'all, what is up everybody? What is up YouTube? Sparky Marky Mark, and I'm back to do an enveloping of an item. And what do I get here from the folks over at CSR Collectibles? Well, no chit chat, let's open it up and see what's inside, like now. Alrighty folks, so what was in that envelope? It's right here. It's an 11 by 17 poster signed by the two dudes, the villains of Scream. Matthew Lillard, Stu Marker, Billy Loomis, played by the great Skeet Ulrich as Billy Loomis. And really, man, it was joyful. And if David Arquette, Nev Campbell, Courtney Cox, Rose McGowan, if they ever come to a convention, I'm definitely going to have them sign, including the two Ghostface, Dane Farrell and Matt Lee Wydell. I'm going to personally have them sign it. And also, let's be clear, among other things, if anybody's a fan of Scream or what scene did you like from the movie or the rest of the franchises, let me know in the comments down below. And ladies and gentlemen, this goosed up the horror genre. Scream goosed it up, ladies and germs, young BUCKS's. Because without it, the genre would stay dead. And nobody's going to be making horror movies anymore because the genre is dead. Oh my God, without it. But thank you to Mr. Kevin Williamson, creator and writer. So yeah, let me know in the comments, are you a fan of the Scream movies? And what's your favorite scene from the movie? And also, which portrayal of the villains are you a fan of? And also, is anybody looking forward to the 7th installment? Let me know in the comments as well. So yeah. Seriously, guys, how crazy can you get? Scream, baby. I was 5 when that movie came out. So, y'all, before signing off, let's give a shout out to the collectors out there, to the physical media collectors, the watch collectors, toy collectors, autograph collectors, and convention goers, and all you collectors out there. Shouts to you all. And also, if you like content like this or other content, please click the bell and the subscribe button to be notified of all new uploads. Like the videos, always appreciate thumbs ups. Have any opinions related to the contents? Comments down below. Also, let's give one more shout out to my subscribers. You know who you all are. Shouts to you, cats and dogs. Dudes and dudettes. Dudettes, or... So yeah. And I'm in the YouTube community, also known as Post, to tell you what pre-orders are coming up and what's going on right now, and among other things. And keep an eye on that, folks, for any pre-orders from Kickstarter, Indiegogo, Creative VC. There's a flash sale going on for the Aliens Definitive Documentary and the In Search of Darkness of 1990-1994. There's a sale going on right now, and it'll be ending in the 28th of February, so that's next week. So better get it while you can. The link is in the description box. So anyways, y'all, this is Sparky Marky Mark signing off. Y'all take care. God bless you, hear you, and see you on the next vid. Enjoy the weekend, y'all, and later.